When a company combines knowledge, work, commitment, creativity, and establishes a method of its own, it becomes an organization capable of meeting any challenge, any time, and any place. At Cualimetal, by combining those values, we have become a leading company. A super specialist company that differentiates itself by designing and constructing industrial units with metal structures in a quick, easy, and effective way in any country in the world. We work side by side with our customers from the start to finish of each project. After creating the solution for each specific case, we begin the profile manufacturing and cutting process. Focusing on effectiveness and simplicity, we carry out the same process for metal roofs and facades. With the arrival of each order, we meet that commitment by implementing methods that we have developed and patented to achieve quickness and simplicity, which results in lower costs to our customers. These steels enable us to produce optimally shaped profiles that are lighter in weight and afford greater strength. Each profile stored is identified to make installation easier. After throwing our knowledge and creativity into the mix, the phase begins in which we deploy all our potential for effectiveness and organization: the installation of the units. Our patented systems make it possible to carry out the assembly in the quickest and most practical way, saving time and costs, guaranteeing at the same time the quality of the construction. This is our challenge and our commitment to each customer and in each project. Make simple what is complex. Everything down to the last detail is conceived and prepared to transport and install our units easily. We create solutions that cover the design, manufacture, and assembly of industrial buildings and the delivery of parts, with our subsequent online responsibility to customers, so that they themselves install the unit. Our excellent responsiveness and our reliable, well-defined methods mean we can provide efficient, cost-effective solutions with very short lead times. Cualimetal. Quick, simple, and top quality. At any time, anywhere in the world.